guess what? One of these hands has a fire kit in it, like a full-blown fire kit. Not that one. It's just, I'm not a magician. All right, I'm like a woods guy. What's up, guys? Dan here, Coalcracker Bushcraft. So it's not magical, but it is a really cool little comprehensive fire kit. Now, I'm not into the micro stuff all that much. I think there's a time and a place for micro gear. But one of the things that's really nice with a complete fire kit that literally fits in the palm of your hand is for people who aren't doing the whole bushcraft survival thing and they are carrying along emergency equipment, because I'm a big fan of that. So maybe you're going on a trail run and the weather's going to change and get cold and you're not going to carry a lot of gear. This is not going to bother you all that much in your fanny pack next to your water bottle and your gels or whatever else you eat. And if you would get in a situation that you get stuck out there, at least you can stay warm throughout the night. So we're going to break into this mini fire kit. We did talk about the matches in the last video, but you can really build out one of these kits really nice, really easily. All right, so let's tear into this kit. So first of all, this is a Yuko stormproof match kit. Okay, so when you buy this, you're going to get the case and then matches on the inside. Okay, so let's open this up and see everything I have filled in here, and we'll talk about it, how this is a comprehensive fire kit. So first thing, when you open this up, okay, I have matches in here of common sense because this is the match case. So you can fit 12 matches in here along with the other stuff. Now, maybe you can fit more, but 12 very comfortably. So I have all the stormproof matches in there, and then the striker that's on the outside. It's very important with this, in case it gets real damp, to light these things, to keep the secondary striker that comes with it. So that's included. You can also take a piece of fat wood, which right here is a piece of fat wood that I cut down the same size as a match, that I can now scrape and help aid in my fire making. So really nice little addition there. And then what you can also add in here is you can also add one of these small little Bic lighters, another great addition to a fire kit. Okay, now just looking at this here, what I'm also thinking is if you have a very small ferro rod, yes, you can put that in there. Again, at some point you're going to run out of space, but lots of good stuff. And then to go along with the fire starters, we have the cotton that came with the kit, but I went one step further. So the cotton that came with the kit I removed, and I grabbed some cotton balls and some Vaseline. So I took 2 cotton balls, which that's a nice amount of fire time, and I took some Vaseline because that's an extender. I put a glob of Vaseline, okay, on one cotton ball, and then I smushed the second one on top. That fits really comfortably in that lid. So now I have fire starters in the lid that have fire extender on them. So lots of good stuff in a really small container. All right, so that's today's video. Cool little kit. Put one together, keep it with you, throw it in all your vehicles. You'll have it with you and you will be good to go and start a fire whenever you need it. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe down below. You can also check us out at coalcrackerbushcraft.com for all our gear, our classes, and our blog. And until the next video, stay in the woods.